another exciting episode of my channel Visual Impression. Today we are going to talk about a tripod I recently bought. I did a lot of research and finally I came to a conclusion to buy this tripod which I am going to show you today. Okay, let's get started and let's open the tripod. This is the packet which I got. So it's a nice packet and it is a holding strap. You can carry it as a bag like this. And the material is also good. And if you see, there is the logo of Sirui here. So it is a semi-professional tripod. It is a carbon fiber. I wanted to choose an aluminum one, but I thought it will be heavy, so I chose the carbon fiber version. It is called Sirui Traveler 7C. C means carbon fiber, and there is another version of it, Sirui Traveler 7A. A means aluminum version. You can choose the aluminum version as well, and it is little bit cheaper. Okay, let's open it. You can press this button to open the bag, and let me put that bag down. So this is the tripod. You can see. So it is folded upside like other tripods, and the quality is quite good. You can see that. It is a carbon fiber tripod, and it is not too heavy. It is very light, and yes, it can handle up to 8 to 12 kg of weight. The build quality is very premium. So let's open it. To open it, you have to just like this. There are locks here. Like that it will open. So this is the ball head, you can see, and there are two locks. One is for this ball, and if you mount your camera on it, you can easily move anywhere you want like this. It is movable, and if you make it tight, then it is very steady, it will not move. And then another one is here. This is the pan lock. So if you want to shoot video like that, you can pan your camera. It is very smooth, and it has also written, if you can see, 0 to it is written up to 360, means it can rotate up to 360 degree. There is a logo of it, logo of Sirui. So one good thing I noticed is here the plate. It is a two-way lock system. Accidentally, if you remove this lock, the camera or your lens what is mounted will not accidentally fall down, because you can see it is locked. So to unlock that, what you have to do, there is a knob here, there is a switch here, red color switch. You have to, this is the switch, you have to press that switch, and it will easily remove like that. It will not move easily if you place this knob, then it will remove easily. So to open the legs of the tripod, there is a twist lock here. So you can twist it like that and open it. If you want to close it, simply just close it and twist the lock back. So this is very useful. So let's open this tripod fully and see how tall it is. This is the extended version of the tripod. You can see here, and still also you can extend it more, like just release it and place it. So you can see how tall it is. I am 5.5 and this is more than me. I think this is enough for any photographer. You can put it down and use it. It is very steady. You saw how tall it is, so let's see until how much down it can go. So I have to come to the ground level here. So here is the locks. You can completely fold it, unlock the lock, and like that you can see. So just unlock this one and place your. So this is the minimum height of the tripod. So you can see here it is written monopod. So only this leg can be detached into a monopod. Let's open the leg of the monopod. What I was showing you here, it is written monopod. You simply have to rotate it, and it will, and it is detached, and you can mount this ball head on this one. Let me show you how to do that. So you have one knob here, you have to open it and you have to place it very carefully, and if you lose it you have to purchase one more. So after that you can open this one like this, and you have to place the rest of the part of the tripod very carefully. Now you just have to simply rotate it, and yes, now this is converted into a monopod. By this monopod you can easily capture your subjects if you do not want to go with your tripod. So this monopod is very lightweight and very handy. Another exciting feature of this tripod is there is one knob here also. You can see this one. So with this one you can make it more steady, means you can put your bag or any counterweight to make it steady like this. So you can hold your bag or something like that, and you can make your tripod more steady. So this is it, guys. So I think I have covered everything about this tripod. This is a very useful tripod with affordable price. This is the carbon fiber version, and it can handle up to 16 kg load capacity, and it comes with a ball head, and you can convert it into any kind of head you want. You can use gimbal head or any premium quality heads also on it, and it can be converted into a monopod. So overall experience with this tripod is it is quite good. One thing is missing is at very lower level. If there will be a converter to make it completely ground level, then it will be better. But yes, rather than that, it is a very good tripod, and to use it, it feels a very premium look and feel, and the finishing and the material is very premium. So if you want to go for it, you will not regret. So this is it for this episode, and thank you for watching. Please put your suggestions and feedback on comment if you like it or not, or if you have any more suggestions of better tripods, and how much you like this tripod. You can tell anything, I will reply you back. So thank you guys, and stay tuned for next episode.